Here's the first piece of what used to be here. Let's see if we can get any closer. We just happened to find a bunny rabbit right there. Isn't that cute? I believe there used to be storage at one point from what I saw in the map online. Yep, there is a sign. It's closed off, so I can't really get in there, but seems to be vacant. And here's the other side of the storage. The energy I feel, it's not bad. It's not a bad energy here, but I definitely can feel it in my hands. Oh my god, look. There's all these, is it geese? They're following people because they're probably feeding them. Over here seems to be a big old building. Wonder if that was like the Spaniards resting area, you know, where like the soldiers probably would camped at one point, like a barracks. I just wish it was open. So you saw that I recorded the plaque of the man who resided here at one point. And through the research from that spokeswoman that I found, that she had a video on YouTube that this was a area where the Spaniards were living until El Camino Real was actually, finished there because they were doing construction. And I believe it also has something to do with the mission in San Fernando. I just wish it was open. I really want to see inside. There was pictures online about how it really is inside and what kind of furniture there is, which I wish we'd be able to see, but I don't know if they have tours or something. You could just tell everything is closed. Ooh. All right, it says open the third Sunday, 1 through 3 p.m. Let's see if I can get a little closer on what's in here that they used at one point. go check the other side. Here's the other side. And apparently they have some signs here. Oh, it's about the blacksmith tongs, temperature, heated iron, modern English anvil, and can't really tell what the last one is. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a little blurry in the camera, but I'm not really wearing my glasses. But I'll get my glasses, see if I can actually read what it says. Okay, so I was able to read what it says, at least the top part. Functions of a blacksmith on the ranch in the 1880s. Well, there you go. If it was, the rest of it, I wouldn't be able to read because obviously it's closed and it will be open until the third Sunday from 1 to 3, which I should come here actually. If the public's allowed to come in here, definitely would love to see if we get any paranormal activity in here, or talking with the spirit box. I'm not sure if I'll get anything early this morning, but let me check out the spirit box and see if we can capture anything. ¿Está alguien aquí con nosotros? ¿Están construyendo algo? Sí, ¿qué estaban construyendo aquí? Buenas tardes, me llamo Olga. Estoy aquí investigando y estoy preguntando si a alguien le gustaría hablar. ¿Son hombres? Okay. ¿Qué está pasando aquí?